Good day everyone, my name is Elmi Anos Camaso, and today I will discuss the elements of the states and some fundamental principles and policies under the Philippines Constitution. First is the population. These are the people who make up with the state. Without them, no society or government can exist. For example, the Philippine people are the population of the Philippines territory. This refers to the land, water, and airspace where the state exercises its authority. The Philippines territory includes Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and our surrounding seas. Third, the government. This is the institution that cases and enforce law to maintain order. In our case, the Philippine government is divided into the executive, legislative, and judiciary. Fourth, sovereignty. This means the supreme authority of the state to govern itself without outside control. For example, our independence from colonial rule shows our sovereignty. Part 2. The principles and state policies under Article 2 of the Philippines Constitution. There are guiding principles and policies here. First, the principles. The Philippines is the democratic and republican state. This means power comes from the people. For example, every Filipino has the right to vote in the election. Second, separation of church and state. Religion and government must remain independent from each other. For instance, laws are made by Congress, not by any religion group. Third, the state renounced war as an instrument of national policy. We resolve dispute peacefully instead of resorting to armed conflict. This is why we join international organizations like the United Nations. 4. The state promotes social justice in all aspects of national development. This means giving equal opportunities to everyone, such as providing scholarship to poor and deserving students. The last one is the state should protect and advance the right of the people to be a balanced and healthful ecology. This ensures environment protection, like beginning illegal logging to preserve our forests. These elements and policies define the guide our nation, ensuring that we remain strong, independent, and just. Thank you, and we will continue to uphold this principle as responsible citizen.